Hi, Career Counselor Young Choi Plus here. Here are 5 tips on how to write a great cover letter. Tip number 1, do not repeat your resume. Your cover letter is not a copy-paste of your resume. It is a chance for you to further share why you fit for this job. Tip number 2, start strong. Why are you excited for this opportunity? Show them you've done your homework. Start with a hook for your letter. Try not to be so long on I am interested in this position. I am writing to express my interest for this. Let them know why you are so excited for this opportunity. Cover letter tip number 3. It's not all about you. Express in the letter how you can help them. The skills and the qualifications that you bring that can support their current work needs. Cover letter tip number 4, keep it focused, keep it tight. Think of it as a conversation, not an essay. Short, easy to read paragraphs that is enjoyable, that gets their attention, conversational. Tip number 5, show your personality. Yes, you should be professional, but you can still show a little bit of your enthusiasm, your motivation, and your personality. For more help, please visit us at the Career Development Office.